Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by auditing what you already have and what you enjoy. This saves time. List 10 concrete skills, then circle the 3 that energize you most. Once done, map those to marketable needs so you can test demand quickly. Make sure to pick 2 small experiments, 1 informational interview and 1 mini project, to run for 2 weeks. These first actions show you whether to double down. They also reveal early pivots without large risk. Now scale from ideas to valid tests. Design a mini project and a paid test that are deliverable in under 30 days. You should define success metrics, revenue, satisfaction, or repeat interest, and recruit 5 honest reviewers. Use a simple 3-question survey to collect actionable feedback, then iterate the offer, price, and delivery. By testing with real people, you learn both how to sell and whether the work sustains your interest. This is where hypotheses become customer-informed choices. Finish by packaging a repeatable offer and launching it to your first audience. Track 3 weekly KPIs like leads, conversion, and joy level. Once launched, automate or delegate 1 low-value task within the next month so you can focus on high-impact work. If progress stalls, isolate the single biggest friction point, pricing, messaging, or delivery, and run a focused A/B fix for 1 week. That troubleshooting approach prevents scatter and gets you back to doing work you love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.